Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to reset the Honeywell thermostat without a reset button. Locate the thermostat on your wall and switch it off. This typically involves setting the thermostat to the off position or lowering the temperature setting to a level where the heating or cooling system is not activated. To perform a complete reset, you will want to remove power from the thermostat. This often involves removing the thermostat from its wall mount or accessing the circuit breaker that controls power to the thermostat. Locate the circuit breaker that controls power to your thermostat. It is usually labeled on the breaker panel. Flip the circuit breaker switch to the off position to cut off power to the thermostat. Leave the thermostat without power for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures that any residual power or settings are cleared from the thermostat's memory. After waiting, turn the circuit breaker switch back to the on position to restore power to the thermostat. If you remove the thermostat from its wall mount, reattach it securely. Once power is restored, the thermostat will reset to its default setting. You will need to reconfigure it according to your preferences, including setting the correct time, date, and temperature settings. After reconfiguring the thermostat, test it by adjusting the temperature settings and ensuring that your heating or cooling system responds as expected. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.